Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you put two pictures side by side on iPhone. So at first, just go to your shortcuts. Now just click the top right, this plus icon here. Now in the bottom search bar, search for select photos. Now just tap on this arrow icon beside select photos. Now just toggle on select multiple. Now again click the bottom search bar and search for combine images. Now click on horizontally. You can make the photo horizontally or vertically as you want. Now again click the bottom search bar and search for save to photo albums. This one. Now click on the top right done. Now here you can see in the shortcuts save to photo album. Click on it. Now just select the two photos that you want to combine. And after that just click the top right add. Now just go to your photos. Now here you can see the two photos are created side by side. You can make it horizontally or vertically as you want. So guys, that's how you can make two photos side by side on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.